Hello, and welcome to the English Listening Podcast. Today, we will practice English with the shadowing technique. Remember, you listen carefully, you repeat at the same time or just after the speaker, you do not stop the audio, you do not translate. You listen, you repeat, you follow the voice. Now, relax. Take a deep breath. Let's start the story. Today is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day. Her name is Eliza. Eliza is 28 years old. She lives in a small apartment near the city center. Eliza wakes up early in the morning. The room is quiet. The light is soft. She opens her eyes slowly. She looks at the clock. It is 7 a.m. Then she remembers the date, February 14th. She smiles gently. She feels excited. She also feels a little nervous. She thinks, today is special. Eliza gets out of bed. She opens the window. Cold air comes in. The city is still quiet. Cars are few. People are just starting their day. Eliza goes to the kitchen. She makes a cup of coffee. She smells the coffee. She sits at the table. She drinks slowly. While she drinks her coffee, she thinks about her partner, Daniel. They have been together for 2 years. They like simple moments. They like talking, walking, and cooking together. Eliza thinks, we don't need something big. We just need time. She takes her notebook. She writes a list: flowers, a card, chocolate, dinner at home, a movie. She looks at the list. She feels calm. After breakfast, Eliza gets dressed. She wears a warm coat and a scarf. She checks her bag. She takes her phone and wallet. She leaves the apartment. Outside, the city looks different. Shop windows have hearts. Red and pink colors are everywhere. Some people carry flowers. Some people hold hands. Some people walk alone. Eliza walks slowly. She enjoys the atmosphere. She enters a small flower shop. A bell rings above the door. The shop smells fresh. Flowers are everywhere. She looks at roses. She looks at tulips. She looks at simple white flowers. The shop owner asks, "Can I help you?" Eliza says, "Yes, please. Something simple." The shop owner smiles. She prepares a small bouquet. She looks at it. It is not big, but it feels right. She pays and thanks the woman. She leaves the shop. Next, she goes to a small store. She buys chocolate, Daniel's favorite one. She also buys candles, 2 small candles. In the afternoon, Eliza goes back home. She opens the windows. She cleans the apartment slowly. She puts music on, soft and calm music. She sets the table. She puts the flowers in a vase. She plans to light the candles later. She looks around. Everything feels warm. Eliza checks her phone. There is a message from Daniel. "I'm leaving work now." Eliza smiles. Her heart beats faster. She takes a small card. She writes carefully, "Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for your love and support. I'm happy with you." She places the card on the table. She changes her clothes. She fixes her hair. Then she waits. A little later, the door opens. Daniel comes in. He looks tired, but he smiles when he sees Eliza. "Happy Valentine's Day," Eliza says. Daniel looks around. He sees the flowers, the candles, the table. He looks surprised. "This is beautiful," he says. Eliza smiles shyly. "I wanted today to be calm and special." Daniel walks closer. He gives her a long hug. "This is perfect," he says. They sit together. They talk about their day. They laugh. They cook dinner together. They help each other. They eat slowly. They enjoy every moment. After dinner, they sit on the sofa. They watch a movie. They share chocolate. Outside, the city is cold. Inside, it is warm. Eliza feels peaceful. She feels thankful. She thinks, "Valentine's Day is not about gifts. It's about love, time, and being together." She smiles softly. It is a good day. That's the end of today's shadowing story. Today, we practiced English with a Valentine's Day story. Remember, listen again, repeat again. Shadowing helps your English sound more natural. Thank you for listening to the English Listening Podcast. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.